In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Figma on both Windows and Mac so you can start designing with the desktop app. Start by opening your web browser and going to Figma's official website. Once you're on the home page, look for the download option and open the downloads page. Choose the version that matches your operating system. If you're using a Windows computer, click Download for Windows. If you're using a Mac, click Download for macOS. Wait for the installer file to finish downloading. The download time will depend on your internet connection speed. For Windows users, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Figma installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions and Figma will install automatically on your computer. For Mac users, open the downloaded DMG file. When the installation window appears, drag the Figma application into the Applications folder. Once the copy process is complete, Figma is installed. After installation, launch the Figma app from your desktop, Start menu, Launchpad, or Applications folder. Sign in with your existing Figma account or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your files, drafts, and team projects. It's also a good idea to keep the app updated so you always have the latest features, improvements, and security updates. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed Figma on Windows or Mac and are ready to start designing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.